Hi, I'm Mary Sortis, and this is my tool talk on evaluating. Evaluating is the fourth level of Bloom's taxonomy. When acquiring knowledge, after taking the proper steps, one must be able to evaluate the work they have done to pick out what is unnecessary or what needs more work. The tool you use should be specific to your field because it must know the field you are studying. Wiley+ is the perfect tool for my major, accounting. It is used by Stockton and is used for many different fields, but its focus is higher level education. Wiley+ is full of useful features that get you to evaluate the work you have learned, the work you have done in class, and it is linked to your textbook, so you know what you are working on will be asked about later. If it is not what you have learned in class, you have access to the textbook so you can help yourself. The Read, Study, Practice gives itself away. It is a tab you can read chapters or review a summary of the chapter. You can also practice evaluating the work in questions it gives you of specific situations and exercises. You can also watch videos of other people solving problems so you can evaluate and compare it to your own. At the top, you can see it gives you the option to sign up for other things that may be helpful to what you are studying, like finding a job, or for me, as an accountant, studying for my CPA. On the Assignment tab, you receive the work your professor gives to you. Here it tells you when it's due and if you attempted to try it yet. When you go to your assignment individually, it gives you how many questions there are on the side and if the questions have multiple parts. Each question and part allow you a certain amount of guesses based on your professor's preference. When you are finished, it shows you the work and how to solve it. So if you get it wrong, it's easy to evaluate what you have done wrong and compare it to the proper way to do it, so you learn more. Which leads to the Gradebook tab. This shows you your grade on each assignment and the total grade you got on each overall assignment you will get throughout the class. This tab also lets you go to the assignment to evaluate what you got wrong and check if the score is correct. Next tab is the Orion tab, which is also accessible through the Learn, Study, Practice tab. This generates questions from each section of the individual chapter. It will give you conceptual and application-based questions varying between multiple choices on the blank. It will show you how long you've been studying for and evaluate your proficiency on each chapter and section. But overall, Riley is a very educational website to help you evaluate the topics you have come to analyze and apply and remember. So if you are looking to evaluate your own work and your field is similar to accounting, I suggest you use Wiley+.